Mega Millions, how to play. If you're going to play the Mega Millions lottery, you need to play the right way. Now, I'm not going to teach you the rules. I'm going to teach you how to really play. On the slim chance you win the lottery, there is also a chance that another person or a group of people will also have won, thereby dividing your winnings by the total number of winners. Nobody likes ties. So, the question becomes, how can you be the ultimate winner? The solution? Purchase 2 identical tickets with the same numbers. Boom! Now, if you win the lottery, you will win twice as much money as every other person who won. You're welcome. If you use this strategy and won, feel free to send me a gift to thank me. But, just keep it small. Coming into large sums of money quickly has a history of ruining people's lives.